Good afternoon, it's Lee from Source Sounds, just giving you a little demonstration of this new KENWOOD radio. We've fitted in a Hyundai iX35. I'm just going a little bit closer to the unit. So here we've got a KENWOOD DMX6523DABS, one of the new wireless CarPlay units. So I've just got to the menu. So you can see we've got normal FM radio, we've got DAB radio, we've actually got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, Bluetooth for phone calls and music streaming. Once the phone's paired in, you can then get all your phone book from there. So we've got DAB radio, we've got FM. On this unit, we've also retained the factory reverse camera. So if I just pop it into reverse, you can see up there the factory camera comes onto the screen. Pop it out of reverse, goes back to normal sort of playbacks. It's a nice little unit. Looks okay in the dashboard. And then on this unit, so we've added an external microphone, which is up there. And then we've got the DAB aerial for the windscreen, which is the KENWOOD CX-DAB1, which works really well for DAB. Also, we've also got steering wheel control functions working. So if I just do your volume up and down, so you can see the volume's going up and down. And it switches between sources. Works really well, keeps all the factory controls working, and we've also retained the factory USB location. So this little socket here, we've retained that so the customer can plug his phone in for charging, although this is wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, so it doesn't need to be plugged in. Thanks for watching, and if you've got any queries about this video or you want something for your Hyundai, give us a quick call on 0114 257 1550. Thank you, bye.